Hello friends and fellow cosmic explorers. Welcome back to our journey through the interconnectedness of consciousness and the universe. In our last episode, we dove into what consciousness is and at its various levels. Today we're going to explore a question that has puzzled philosophers and scientists alike. What is the source of consciousness? The source of consciousness is one of the greatest mysteries of our existence. Throughout history, there have been countless theories, from the mystical to the scientific. Some believe that consciousness is purely a product of our brains, a complex result of billions of neurons firing and communicating. This perspective is known as materialism. Materialism suggests that once we understand the brain at a deeper level, we might even be able to recreate consciousness in machines or AI, bridging the gap between human experience and technology. On the other end of the spectrum, we have dualism, the idea that consciousness is separate from the physical brain and body. This theory suggests that there is a non-material aspect to our existence, a soul, if you will, that drives our consciousness. This concept of a non-material soul has parallels in many ancient spiritual traditions, where consciousness is often seen as eternal, transcending physical existence and even the boundaries of space and time. But there's also a fascinating middle ground, panpsychism. This theory proposes that consciousness is a fundamental aspect of the universe, present even at the smallest scales of reality. Essentially, everything has some level of consciousness, from rocks to trees to humans. It's like the universe itself is aware in some way. Some proponents of panpsychism even speculate that consciousness could be linked to quantum processes in the brain, where the smallest particles interact in ways we don't fully understand. Could consciousness emerge from the strange probabilistic nature of quantum mechanics? Let's break this down a bit further. If consciousness is purely a brain phenomenon, it means our experiences, thoughts, and emotions are all products of physical processes. But if it's a fundamental part of the universe, it changes everything about how we understand our place in the cosmos. Imagine if every particle in the universe had a tiny amount of awareness, contributing to a larger cosmic mind. This could suggest that our individual consciousness is just one expression of a much grander, interconnected consciousness that spans the universe. Many spiritual practices like meditation and mindfulness tap into this idea. Practitioners often report a sense of unity with the world around them, a feeling that their consciousness is connected to something greater. Could it be that these experiences are glimpses into the true nature of our consciousness? In fact, some neuroscientific studies show changes in brain waves during deep meditation, indicating altered states of consciousness where the sense of self dissolves, potentially allowing access to a deeper, more universal consciousness. So where do you stand on this spectrum? Do you lean more towards materialism, dualism, or panpsychism? Or maybe you have your own theory entirely. Let's dive deeper into these concepts in our upcoming episodes, exploring how they influence our understanding of reality and the universe itself. We'll also discuss how these perspectives could reshape fields like neuroscience, AI, and even the search for extraterrestrial life, as we seek to understand if consciousness is unique to Earth or a universal phenomenon.